we're running a workshop with a couple of different groups of communities who have been engaging with the Energy Division in different ways.
There's a gentleman from Multicare, there's a woman from one of the local tribes, a couple of women from Vashon Island that are looking to do some energy-related work, a couple of 3 folks from Pierce County that are working in the resiliency and emergency management space. So it's kind of an interesting mix of everything from residential to commercial to county government.
We've got communities who have received what's called a Clean Energy Technical Assistance Grant, where Commerce is providing them with a no-cost feasibility study provided by technical experts that we have contracted with to do solar or solar and storage system analyses.
So we work on capital projects and take care of our infrastructure and manage projects, usually construction projects. We're looking for some technical feasibility to put in a microgrid at our Boathaven facility. There's always been an interest to explore solar and alternative power, but this idea of being able to have, a solar system with some energy storage kind of works from a resiliency standpoint.
And then we have communities that have been engaging with my technical assistance program. So these are communities that are at different stages in their energy resilience journey, and they're just trying to figure out what they don't know and come up with a plan and kind of figure out this definition of resilience, and then we can help them find a system that might match.